You see that? That's a wine cork. It works. But it's time to put the oil cap back on.
Yes.
You can do the honors.
Okay. We have a real plug here. Cork was good. It served us well.
Ah, I'm sad to see it go.
But look at how
My baby
beautiful this
cork.
is. Oh, look at that.
That's an emergency situation fix. If you're traveling and you don't have access to an oil plug, wine cork, get the right size and you'll be fine. Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, you're welcome.